My name is George Lee. I was recommended to Mr. Leppler by Malcolm Marks. I've known him for over 30 years. He said he's been dealing with Mr. Leppler for over 20 years, and he speaks highly of him. He handled my case. He got right on top of it. Barbara is excellent. Malcolm actually introduced him as a bulldog, how he jumps on the case, and I can say he definitely jumped all over the case and handled it excellent. I'm very happy with the outcome of the case, and I'm very happy with Mr. Leppler's book.